Let's look at measures 7 and 8, the last two measures of St. Michael. We're going to start from the pickups to the last two bars, which starts right here. Now, remember that the very last chord, because it's a 10th, G to B, we're just going to be playing the bottom note here on the last chord, just the bottom note. Okay? And initially, we're just going to work on the transition between the last two chords, which of course will be just these notes here. Okay? So start with the left hand. We're going to have fourth finger on D, the thumb on A, so just a D, fifth, and then you're going to drop down to a G. So D, A, and then G, like that. That's pretty easy. And then now, let's go ahead and go back to here, starting from the C major octave, C octave. Then you're going to go to the D, A, fifth, and down to the G, like that. So C octave, D, A, and down to G. And if we do it in time, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Once again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 down to G. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 down to G. And now let's do the first two beats of the left hand here. We're going to start on A and E with 5-1, which is a fifth. A and E. Then you're going to cross over with your second finger to F sharp. And then use your thumb on the G, and the left hand will play B with that. So let's try that again. A and E. 5-1, cross over the second finger to F sharp, and then up to B, G. Once again, A, E, cross over to F sharp, and 5-1, B, G. One more time, A, E, cross over to F sharp, and to B, G. Okay? And now try that in time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Again, 4 and 1 and 2. One more time, 4 and 1 and 2. All right. Now that we've got that, let's put the first three beats together of that measure. So we're going to start from the A, E, and then go up to the C octave. Now, notice how the bottom note, the bass note, is just progressing from A, B to C. So it's just A, B, C. Fifth finger is just going to go up one note at a time. So it's pretty straightforward. All right, A, E, here we go. Ready, and 1, cross over to F sharp, B, G, now the C octave. Once again, starting on A, E, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and one more time. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and. That's the idea. Now let's go ahead and put that together to the very end. So everything besides the pickup. Starting with the A, E, here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and D, A. Now to G. That's it. Once again. 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, D, A, 4, and down to G. And now we're going to go ahead and add up the pickup note to this, which is just a G octave. So a low G octave, and then you're just going to go to A and E. So G octave, and then to the A E fifth with 5/1. So make sure you've got that feeling. And then we're ready to do the entire left hand for bars 7 and 8. Here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and B G, 2 C octave, 3 D A, 4 and down to G. Once again, G octave, 3 and 4 A E, 1 crossover, 2 B G, C octave, D A, and down to G. One more time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And that's bar 7 and 8.